I'm not sure where I am. We're about the fourth or fifth overlook. And I saw some plants that interested me. I'm not sure what this thing is. I think it's some sort of hazelnut. But they don't look big enough to be nuts. I don't know. Pretty interesting. And then the other one has a minty smell. And looks like, kind of like a sage, and it's gross. Where is it? It's very pretty. There's a little purple flower. It's not quite blossomed out. And this. It's got that dusky color that sages have. And as I said, it smells minty. And the leaves look sage-like as far as their shape as well. Oh, the bees love it. The bees are loving it. I hope it's not invasive. I hope it's a natural one. Native, I should say, not natural. But yeah, this is a day of stopping every few miles. I'm letting Taki get out and around. She was all puffy panty, that's why I didn't get her out. She's already been out here. We ran around for quite some time. Even went down a little trail she almost killed me on. And this, I'll have to give you the view of the gap. As I said, I'm not sure, I can't remember what the name of this was, or if I even know the name of this one, or ever saw the name of this one. I don't see any signage. That little signage over there says somebody takes care of it. It doesn't tell you what the name of it is. Just overlook number 5, I guess.